Life took us on different paths, but somehow it always pulled us back together. Like there's an invisible string leading us home. With you, life has always been an adventure. Look around. And I wouldn't have it any other way. You inspire me to be the best version of myself. You're my balance, my challenge, my coach, my best friend, and my soulmate.
May your union rise strong and steady, like the mountain that waits for you. May your love lift you up through every season, like the wind that carries you right now. And may the support of those who stand behind you be the ground beneath your feet wherever you go. So now, with your hearts full of love, wide open wonder, we and they send you off to the mountain, to your vows, and into the beautiful life you're building together.
There is a quiet strength in what we've built together, something that feels completely ours. You've brought out the best in me, and with you, I've found something that feels like home. Today, I stand here ready to commit to the future we're building, step by step, day by day. I promise to stay close through every challenge and every still moment. To meet you with patience when things feel heavy and understanding when there are no words. I don't know what the future holds, but I know that wherever we go, I want to be with you. And in every step we take, I'll choose you, always. I love you.
And so when we make our way down this mountain, may the words you spoke be a continual truth in your hearts. And when you stand before your family, may you carry that peace, that love, that joy right there. Because every word you say will be with you today, tomorrow, and every single day of your guys' lives. So let's enjoy this moment. I'm so excited.
Yay!
Love you!
Angela, do you stand here today of your own free will to openly and joyfully commit to sharing your life with Gwen?
I do.
And do you promise to love and respect her through every season of life and stand by her side no matter what the future may hold?
I do.
Gwen, do you stand here today of your own free will to openly and joyfully commit to sharing your life with Angela?
I do.
Do you promise to love and respect her through every season of life and to stand by her side no matter what the future holds?
I do.
I'll let you have a moment.
I promise to hold your hand through both joy and sorrow, reminding you always of God's infinite love for us. So here I stand, choosing you now and for all the days to come.